Okay, good morning, everyone. Looking at the US stock market, the Dow has again retreated from the recent peak of around the 26,000 psychological level towards the 24,000 psychological level. We did not see the 24,000 a recovery along the 24,000, and instead the Dow has rejected the EMA 20 and subsequently tumbled lower towards the recent low of around the 22,750 points. The Dow has fallen about 2% on overnight after the concern over the US Federal Reserve move over their interest rate direction after they have raised the benchmark interest rate for the fourth time in 2018. The weakness was also stemmed by the potential partial government shutdown should the Trump's party could not get additional fund of 5 billion to build the southern border wall. So moving forward, we might expect further weakness on the Dow Jones index. For now, recovery just taken as play something similar like this. As any recovery will be just taken as a technical rebound play with gains limited just towards the 3 points level, with the down towards some psychological on the Dow Jones index. All in all, the Dow Jones has already formed the downtrend formation, with the EMA 20 is below the 60 and also below the 120 level over the past week. Similarly, on the S&P 500, we are seeing the S&P 500 has again rejected the 2800 psychological level. Since then, we are seeing a pullback below the 2600, the 2600, and instead the S&P 500 continues to tank lower towards the 2450 level. For now, any recovery will be just taken as a technical rebound play, with gains likely to be capped towards the 2550 before the next pullback with the resume on the S&P 500. Okay, some updates on the crude prices. The crude prices continues to endure a volatile trading session after the sideways consolidation between the 50 towards the 54. We are seeing the crude prices has breached below the 50 and subsequently tumbled lower. There was a mild recovery on 2 days itself, but then on yesterday there's a lack of follow-through buy interest, and the crude prices has give up all its previous sessions against to close sharply lower, negative for 4.8%. So for now, we could expect further weakness on the crude prices towards the 45 or even towards the 40 in view of the higher production from US shale oil coupled with the rising inventory level. Okay, some updates on our local front. The FMKLCI continues sideways manner after the recent pullback towards the 1630 level. We are seeing just a mild consolidation on the FMKLCI, despite the FMKLCI gap down close to about 20 points yesterday. We are seeing the key index has seen some of the bargain hunting at the end of the day. So for now, let's monitor to see how the FMKLCI holds along the 1630. It will to be able to continue to hold, then we might see we will see just a mild recovery on the key index towards the 1670 or even towards the 1700. But tracking the gains in the Wall Street, or tracking the weakness on the crash weakness on the crude prices, we could expect the FMKLCI to trend towards the 1630. If the 16 level cannot hold, then we might see further weakness on the key index to trend towards 1610 or even towards the 1600 psychological level. On the broader market wise, we are seeing the broader market continues to tank lower following the recent pullback from the consolidation of the 12,215 towards the 13,200 points. Subsequently, the lower enders continues to trend lower falling below the 12,215. For now, we might expect further weakness towards the 10,500 points level. That would be the immediate support level for now, followed by the 10,000 psychological level. On 19th of December, we are seeing just a mild recovery on the FM small cap index, but on the next day, on yesterday, there's a lack of follow through buying interest on the lower liners. So for now, let's see how the FM small cap index hovers around the 10,500 points. If we can see some of the recovery, like a bullish engulfing candle or a hammer candle being formed, then we might see we might likely to see some of the mild gains on the FM small cap towards the 11,500 points or even towards the 12,220 points level. For now, we should adopt any recovery from now. We should adopt the selling the strength strategy. So any recovery in your stocks, it's best for you to lock in your recent gains or for you to trim your, given that the downtrend is still very much intact on the FM small cap index with the no sign of strong reversal at current moment. On stocks wise, some of firstly will be on Super Dynamic. Super Dynamic has trended higher towards the recent all-time high of 4 ringgit, forming the higher high and also the higher low formation. Subsequently, price towards the recent low of around the 3 ringgit and 56 level. The 3 ringgit and 56 cents level again on the 19th of December. Yesterday, we are seeing a good bullish candle being formed, accompanied by something volumes being traded at the EMA 9 level. We are seeing the MACD histogram has returned green yesterday. The RSI has also risen above the 50. With the being formed yesterday, we're going to monitor for this trend line breakout above the 372 cents level. Should price breach above 372, we could expect price to trend towards the 394 or even towards the 4 ringgit and 7 cents. Your stop loss point will be located towards the 3 ringgit and 56 cents level on Super Dynamic. On BrightTech, price has earlier staged a one-day rally towards the recent peak of intraday high of 34.5 cents. After hitting the 34.5 cents level, we are seeing the price has subsequently pulled back just towards the recent low of around the 22 cents level, and price continues to hover on a sideways manner. For now, let's monitor for the breakout above the 23.5 cents level, given that price has already formed a bullish candle yesterday, with the MACD histogram has already turning green, the RSI really risen above the 50. Let's monitor to breach the cents. Should price breach above that, we can target the 25.5 cents or even towards the 28 cents level. Your stop loss point will be located towards the 22 cents level on BTech. Should price breach above the 23.5 cents level over the near term, we could expect the MACD indicator to should a buy signal as well. On Lei Hong, price is still on a downtrend of formation, so any recovery from now will be just taken as a technical rebound play. Price has hit the recent low of around the 32 cents level. Subsequently, price has staged just a minor recovery towards the 49 cents before the price pulling back. Yes, from the gap down formation on the 27th of November after the company has announced a weak set of corporate earnings, and subsequently price traded on a sideways manner over the past 3 weeks trading period. For now, this short-term consolidation record above the 36.5 cents level. Should price breach above the 36.5 cents, we could trade Lei Hong towards the first target price at the 43 cents or even towards the 49 cents. The stop loss point will be located towards the 32 cents level on Lei Hong. Things appears to be bottoming out right now, as you can see that the MACD indicator has been forming the higher low position, whereas the RSI has been forming the slowly trending higher following the recovery from the oversold position. Just that we are not seeing much volumes being traded right now. We need to see a breakout above the 36.5 cents, accompanied by some of the improvement in volumes higher than the about 8 million volume. Then only we can confirm for the recovery on the Lei Hong. Last two company for the day firstly will be OCK. OCK has earlier been traded towards the recent peak of around the 8.5 cents level. Subsequently, price has pulled back below the 7.5 cents. It did not hold above the 74.5 cents. It subsequently traded low before staging a mild recovery towards just the EMA 9 before sliding on lower. After hitting the recent low of around the 40 cents level, we are seeing a healthy consolidation between the 40 cents to 48 level 1.5 weeks. The high ones being traded on OCK. In the buyers accumulate now for the break about half percentage depends around the first target price at the 56 cents or even towards the 61. Your stop loss point located below the fund. Also, price breach above the 48.5 cents level, we could expect the MACD indicator to buy signal, whereas the RSI could be rising from the towards the 50 level as well. On Rand Hill, price has again formed a very strong uptrend formation, forming the higher high and also the higher low formation towards the intraday high of 1.33 cents level. After touching the 1.33 cents, we are seeing price has such a healthy pullback, uh, 60, and price subsequently form a bullish candle. We did mention on this counter on our morning bus on the 20th of 18th of we are seeing a bullish engulfing candle was being formed on Rand Hill as we are expecting these to pull back and the continuation pattern to take place. So from Rand Hill right now, let's monitor for price to breach above the 1.16 cents. Price has again attempts to breach above the 1.16 cents, but it did not close above that. So let's monitor for the breakout above the 160 target, the first target price at the 125 towards the 133, 1.32 or 1.33. This point will be located towards the 1.2 cents level on a Rand Hill. Should price breach above the 1.16 cents level today, then this could be the potential T plus 4 formation. This was a T day with high volumes, price traded on a sideways manner over the next 3 days with low volumes, and the next day itself, we did manage to see a breakout. So if you have any questions, you can put in the chat box and I'll reply you shortly. If there's no question for today, then we'll end the morning briefing. Thank you.